Hello my friends, I have a very powerful spiritual tips to tell you about alligator pepper today. Everything I'm going to be talking about today is alligator pepper. If you know what it is, you are blessed. Do you know that you can use alligator pepper to get everything that you wanted? Do you know that you can use this to attract money? Do you know that you can use alligator pepper to break curses? Do you know you can use alligator pepper to grow your business? Now, this video is for you if you have been going through a lot of spiritual attacks. You have been going through poverty. You have been going through hatred. You have been going through lack of money. Whatever your situation is, after using alligator pepper this way, your way will open. You will receive your miracles. You will receive your blessings. So this video is very, very powerful. I really want you to watch this video from the start till the end. Give this video a thumbs up at this point. Subscribe to my channel if you are interested in videos like this so that you can always get my videos. Thank you so much for your support. So alligator pepper has a lot of health benefits. But I'm not talking about the health benefit today. I'm talking about the spiritual benefits, how you can use this to benefit yourself spiritually. Do you know that alligator pepper is a spirit? It's powerful. Whatever you say to it works. That's why when you do this, make sure your hands are clean. When I say your hands are clean, meaning you don't involve yourself in any evil. Okay, because you don't want any spiritual side effect to come back to you. So now when you're ready, get alligator pepper. This is alligator pepper right here. It's very powerful. If you don't know what it is, please go to spiritual shops at this point and ask them for alligator pepper. This is what it looks like. Okay, I don't know if you can see that. It's very, very powerful. Okay, so just grab a bunch of this. You can always keep this in your house, but today we only need just one of this. So buy it from spiritual shops. You can buy it from where they sell organic product. And if you live in a country where they don't have this, you can always buy it online. Okay, you can buy it from Amazon. All right, it's very powerful. So now once you grab this, do you know that you can power alligator pepper to make it more powerful? So before we use this, if you like, you can go right ahead and use this. But I want to show you first how to make this more powerful. So what you will do is you will grab one alligator pepper. You will dig a ground where no rain falls, where there will be no rain that will fall on it. Because once rain falls on alligator pepper, it makes it powerless. Okay, it decreases its power. That's one thing that you should note. So dig a ground where no rain fall, where no rain or water will fall on it. Put it in that hole. Put some honey on it. Put some sugar in it. Put some cinnamon on it and cover it up just for 24 hours. And after the 24 hours, go dig the ground and take it out. Now it's much more powerful that way. That's one way to make this powerful. Now, how do I use this to make sure that I solve all my spiritual problems? Things like financial problem, marriage problem, relationship problem using alligator pepper. Because this is already charged, it's much more powerful right now. You will take this out and you will open it from the back. That's one way. Please hold it from the back like this to your back. You take it to the back, you will open it up. Okay, it's very powerful, I understand. So once you open it up, you will see that you get some seed out of it. This is the seed. I don't know if you can see that. I'm able to yeah, that's the seed right here. So once you open that up, now you will select some seed from it, about 7 seed, 7 only, because 7 is a very powerful number. And when you use it with alligator pepper, it's way powerful. Wow. 7 is an angelic number, is a mystical number. Okay, you want to select 7 pieces, and you can do this just before you go to bed or when you're just waking up, before you talk to anybody at all. Okay, so you select 7 seeds of alligator pepper, put it in your mouth, and begin to chew. You begin to chew. You see that alligator pepper is very peppery in your mouth. You begin to chew it, and you will start saying things that you don't want. You start rejecting them. Now, please don't curse when you are doing it. See, it's very peppery in my mouth. That's what it is. But it's okay. So now don't make any curses. Don't lay curses on anybody. But if you are doing this to lay curses on your enemy, that's fine. But don't lay curses on somebody that doesn't hurt you, somebody that doesn't harm you. Don't lay any curses on them. So go right ahead and be chewing the alligator pepper and start saying things that you wanted. I want this, I want that. I want my business to grow in the mighty name of God. I want a new job. I want big money to flow to me. I want my job to be very peaceful. I don't want anybody to hate me at my workplace, and anything that I say, I want it to come true in the mighty name of God. Alligator pepper, you need to use it positively. Don't use for the wrong purpose, please. Don't say, oh, Precious has told me I can go right ahead and use this for anything. No. Use it for the right purpose because you needed that thing. If you want to use this to manifest your boyfriend, your husband, your wife, go right ahead and say everything you wanted to this. Okay? Just before you go to bed and when you are just waking up in the morning, and you will see it come true. And also, before you hold the alligator pepper, make sure that you clean your hand very well. Okay? Please, it's very important. So now, once you've done that, chew everything. Okay? If you are using this to return evil back to the sender, after chewing it, don't swallow. Make sure you throw it out and say that as I throw this out, may my enemy run away from me. May my enemy run away from me. May this go and fight my enemy. May my enemy cry and run away in the mighty name of God. If you are using this to manifest a new boyfriend, a new girlfriend, a wife or husband, or to make your husband come back or your ex to come back to you, you can swallow it because you are using this to attract them back into your life, right? You swallow it while you're chewing it. After chewing it, okay, and say everything that you wanted, you will see that thing will come true. So go right ahead and do it as I've said, and you'll see that God Almighty will make it work perfectly for you. So I want to believe that this video is helpful. I want to believe that if this video has blessed you, if this video is helpful, if what I've done in this video makes sense, give this video a thumbs up. Like, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. For more spiritual videos that can help your life, watch this video over there. For more spiritual help, join membership on my channel. And God in His infinite mercy will give you your miracles and your blessings. Alright, thank you so much. I love you and I'm sure you love me too. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, stay safe and be blessed. Bye-bye.